What's up, guys? So today we are going to be testing out a real excavator, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC. No, I'm just kidding. We got the little guy out here next to the big guy that just happened to be around here, and I'm just getting some photos, that's all.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Enemies.
Okay guys, we are at the sand pit, and now we're going to get some footage of this excavator in action at the sand pit with some POV and some other shots. Everything checks out. Not quite picking up the sand. The sand is kind of tough, but it's not the fastest thing in the world, and I guess it can't be because of the tracks would come loose. But yeah, it is fun. And as you saw in the photos, we just passed a real one coming here. Yeah, guys, if you can, if you have the opportunity, you might want to go grab you one of these, because this is awesome. I can't stress enough how much fun I'm having. It's about 41 degrees out here, and the sand is still kind of, you know, hard from the winter, but once it gets a little softer, I mean, I still can pretty much, you know, pick up a little bit of sand, but it's not really digging, you know, it's not really getting in there. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Stay tuned for the unboxing of the dump truck, followed by the what's the it's the bulldozer. So until next time, y'all be easy.
Stop.
I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have one of these. And also, don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
All right, we appreciate your support around here at No Pros RC. We'll see you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.